Hey guys, Matthew here. Welcome back to a new video, guys. Today we're doing another episode of improving my setup. I don't know what episode it is. You'll see in the title. Today we got the Hyper X pudding keycap. Now this just came in Amazon. Box is beat to shit, but we're gonna be putting it on that keyboard. Probably a shorter video than usual. Let me find a way to unbox this in a good style. Okay, you know this works. I guess we're just gonna... I need a knife. Do I have a knife? Cut one side, cut the other. Thank you, UPS, for f***ing up my box. Like, this thing is destroyed. Hopefully the keycaps are fine. And then we got the Hyper X Keycaps. They're all here. Cool. I've never bought in keycaps or replaced keycaps in my life, but today's a good day to start, I guess. It's like vacuum sealed. You have to open it with a knife too. This knife sucks, by the way. I need to buy an actual knife because this thing is a piece of shit. Wow. Okay, I guess I'm gonna take them and put them on the keyboard, and then afterwards we're gonna figure it out. So I guess I'm gonna just do the setup. I have no good angle for it. Maybe I do. Like that. And I guess I'll get to it. Okay guys, here's the keyboard with no switches. With some movie magic, we can put the keys on, just like this. And there we go, all the keycaps are on. Only these three keys didn't work with the layout, which is fine, but maybe I'll sand it down and DIY it. But the rest of it looks good, except this space bar. Now, this keycap holder, when I pulled it off, it scraped it. So now I gotta paint it or something, which kind of sucks. I might just have to go back to the regular one, but we're going to plug it in, and we're going to see what it looks like first time, so. Isn't it? Whoa, it looks so much better. Whoa, that is sick. Oh yeah, this is 100% worth it. Okay guys, I'm on Nitro Type now on my PC, as you guys can tell. Hello. This is the perfect way to try the keyboard out with the keycaps. So I guess let me put the microphone there. Hopefully you guys can still hear me. And let's do some keyboard ASMR. Now I suck at typing, okay? I'm not going to do great, but we might as well see how these keycaps are, so. Ooh, I like these. They feel different. They feel so weird, but in a good way. Yeah, so they have a different feel compared to my old keycaps, but I like them. I like them a lot. They sound so nice, too. They're like... And the space bar. Oh, okay, yeah, I love these keycaps. They're so nice. Do I think it is worth $20-some? They do not have a 60% option, so some keys don't work on some keyboards, which makes sense, but I don't know if it's exactly worth the money. If you have the money laying around, yeah. Be careful with their keycap holder, though, because this thing sucks. It scraped my keys, which is very annoying, but yeah. That's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, leave a like, subscribe, and BVG out.